In this video, I'll be talking about why your business needs cloud backup. I'm Jack from GoCloud, one of the UK's most flexible hosted desktop providers, and we're here bringing top tips for business leaders that rely on remote workers. A company can be brought to its knees by a single cyber attack or data leak, so you need to ensure that your IT infrastructure is protected. Protecting your company data is crucial. Your information takes multiple forms, including confidential customer documentation, financial accounts, payroll details, sensitive correspondence, intellectual property, and more besides. The last thing you need is for your business's data to become inaccessible to staff, or, even worse, get into the hands of unauthorized users and hackers. A company can be brought to its knees by a single cyber attack or data leak, so you need to ensure that your IT infrastructure is protected and its data easily recoverable. There are plenty of providers to look at when choosing an online backup provider, such as Backblaze, iDrive, SOS Online Backup, and many more. Make sure to do some research first. See what each one offers, how their prices compare, and also check their online reviews. By backing up all of your data using a trusted provider, you're future-proofing your company and investing in long-term business continuity. Without having cloud backup, your data may be at risk. Every business relies on data to the extent that a single instance of downtime can bring day-to-day operations to a standstill. Likewise, even just one digital security breach could result in serious ramifications, including loss of earnings, long-term damage to the reputation of your brand, and even hefty fines due to lack of suitable compliance measures. Having multiple staff working from home means there's a significantly higher risk of a digital security breach or cyber attack occurring. However, you can remove this risk entirely by switching to hosted desktops and taking out affordable cloud backup, which allows a seamless home working experience combined with data protection you can rely on. It's easy to think that nothing will go wrong with your data, but there are actually many factors that can result in corruption, loss, and theft. So, a cloud backup can be essential to the security of your business's data and infrastructure. Prime examples are fire and flood at premises where some of your data is being stored on hardware devices. The same goes for criminal damage to a property, which can involve either your data specifically being targeted or simply destroyed in the process. With hosted desktops, your data is stored in secure data centers and simply accessed by your devices rather than kept within personal devices and flash drives. This means that your software, files, and emails are always safe, no matter what happens to the hardware you use to create, edit, and share them. Meanwhile, having additional cloud backup in place means that your data is protected around the clock, ensuring total reassurance. Furthermore, without cloud backup, your business can have cyber attacks, which can take place over the course of minutes or months, depending on the specific approach. However, by upgrading your security with hosted desktops, you can prevent your data from being corrupted or lost. For instance, some malware damages devices and kills data very quickly, whereas others are designed to hide in the background, spread across your servers and devices, and then make their move once they've infiltrated your entire system. When you choose GoCloud hosted desktops, all of your data is protected around the clock from every form of cyber attack. Stop wasting time worrying about online security. We oversee this for you so that your company can focus on service delivery, customer satisfaction, and business growth. If you don't have backup in place, you need to rectify the situation immediately. By having cloud backup, you can have a peace of mind and no worry over your data being lost or corrupted. We recommend combining hosted desktops with a backup as a managed service package. This will allow you to work remotely and also roll out a bring your own device policy without the risk of your data being compromised or lost, guaranteeing maximum results and an unparalleled return on investment. When switching to hosted desktops, GoCloud can transition each member of your team over to their very own hosted desktop without any disruption to your business. In the process, you benefit from every piece of company data being backed up in our exemplary UK data centers, protecting it against natural disasters, power cuts, criminal activity, hardware failure, cyber attacks, and accidental damage to devices. To get in touch or find out more, you can email hello@gocloud.co.uk or find us on Facebook and Instagram.